the transition later on when we're going to add an animation. So just follow ahead, follow along with me. So yeah, you just need to put these text. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a parallax animation using Canva. It's pretty simple. First of all, you need to have a photo, and it would be very much recommended for you to use a vertical image for this one because it will be easier. But you can also use a normal image, but you have to crop it and resize it and drag it down. So right now I'm adding text boxes, text 1, text 2, text 3, 1, 2, 3. You can go for more, but you need to match it with also how many how many slides that you have. So yeah, you could go for more, but for example, I'm just gonna use 3 slides for this video. So in the first slide, you need to put text wherever you want. Then after that, you just duplicate the slide and then move the previous text away. You don't need to delete it, you just move it away. And now what I'm doing is I'm scrolling the photo down after I move the previous text away. So like there can be like some sort of movement into this the transition later on when we're going to add an animation. So follow along with me. So yeah, you just need to put these texts away without deleting them. So that's the trick over here. So I'm gonna try and match this, and now let's add another slide. We can duplicate that again by clicking over here, duplicate page, and then let's move this photo again downwards by holding on it. We can move the cat to above, so like it looks like it's moving upwards, right? So that's the trick here. You make sure that when you move this text, you move it above or anywhere away, but it's preferable if you move it above, so at least it looks like you're scrolling it. And you need to make sure that you're using this transition called match and move, which you can do by going over here to this shiny button here, and then go and click on match and move. And then you just make sure that you apply this to every other page as well. And it's pretty simple. So if you go here to the preview, this is how it should look like. As you can see, it's just moving the photo from top to bottom as well as moving the text. That's it. That is how you can create a parallax animation using Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.